REITs, real estate investment trusts, let you own commercial real estate, malls, apartments, warehouses, data centers, without buying property. They pay 90% plus of income as dividends and trade like stocks. Steps to start. Open a brokerage account. Free at Fidelity, Vanguard, Charles Schwab, or Robinhood, USA, Canada, Australia, UK. Choose your REIT type. Publicly traded REITs, buy like stocks, most liquid. REIT ETFs, safest for beginners, for example VNQ, SCHH, 100 plus REITs in one fund. Popular beginner picks. Vanguard Real Estate ETF, VNQ, $3,000 minimum if buying shares or fractional. Schwab US REIT ETF, SCHH, ultra low 0.07% fee. Individual names, Realty Income, O, the monthly dividend company, Prologis, PLD, warehouses, American Tower, AMT, cell towers, buy, search ticker, place order, market or limit, own instantly, get paid. Dividends hit your account quarterly or monthly for some, reinvest or cash out.